Hey guys, we're back with our 2004 BMW 325 Xi. It's an E46. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing the factory brake hose on here with some new ones. The main reason I'm doing this is just for age of the vehicle, and we'll be replacing those with some stainless steel brake lines from ECS Tuning. Now, quick rundown. This is actually a lot simpler than the rear. We have our fitting right up there that we need to remove. And then instead of any type of clip, we have just this rubber knobber right here that we have to push out of the strut. And then we have right here where it goes into the caliper, just right there on top versus where it came in on the bottom on the rear. So it should be very, very straightforward and simple to get this swapped out. So come along, let's see what we can do. All right, tools I need for this job: 14 millimeter and an 11 millimeter. That's it. 11 millimeter is going to go here on the top. 14 is going to go on the bottom. Let's see if we can get some light here. First thing, what we're going to do, we're just going to wiggle this, get it out of the strut. Boom. Just like that, it's out. Super easy. I got my drip pan underneath. We're going to unloosen this top one first. All the way loose, and we're just going to pull the hose completely out. We're just going to wind it through where it goes here and set it up here on this other side. Over here we'll take our 14 millimeter, break that guy loose. We're just going to spin it out. Try not to make a mess. Stick that hose down in my drain bucket. We got our new hose here. We go the right way. There we go. Spinning it on. Right there at the end. Get our wrench to snug it down. Run this guy back through where it needs to go. It actually goes underneath this sensor. There we go. Just clipped it back in. This guy's going to go right up in here, all the way up top. You always want to start this one just finger tight here. Last thing you want to do is get that cross threaded. Get that guy snugged down. Get a little bit brake clean. Let's clean this up. we go. And with that, guys, unique brake lines installed. Front's super easy. Now all we have to do is just bleed the system. What I am going to do here is I have a pressure bleeder up top. And so we're just going to give that a little bit of pressure. We're going to break open this bleeder screw, get the system bled. But anyway, guys, that's the quick and easy way you can replace your brake lines, whether you're doing the stainless steel upgrades or if you're going to just do a traditional rubber line. Super easy. Just make sure you bleed that system really good when you're done. If you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.